In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer Blackshark headset to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up your Razer Blackshark headset on your PC. This is going to work regardless of the Blackshark model that you have. So it can be the V2 model, the Pro model, or whatever other Blackshark headset they release in the future. The process is extremely simple and consistent. All that you have to do is plug it into any of the available ports on your PC. Usually this will either be done by using the USB cable or the 3.5mm audio jack. So they will include a USB sound card that you can use to convert the 3.5mm connection into USB. So choose whichever one you prefer. If you use the USB connector, all that you have to do is plug the headset into the USB card and then plug the USB card into any of the available ports on your PC. As soon as you do this, you will be able to go over to the sound settings on your PC, and in there you will be able to choose it as the default audio output and input devices. Alternatively, if you don't have any available USB ports or you don't want to use the sound card, all that you have to do instead is plug it in via the 3.5mm combo port. As soon as you plug it in to your PC, it will be detected, and once again, you will be able to adjust the settings. Afterwards, make sure to connect a microphone and you will be able to use the headset to join voice chat, talk to others. You will be able to listen to all of the audio on the voice chat inside of a game, when you are watching videos, and so on. You just have to plug the microphone in, and there's going to be a physical toggle to mute or unmute the microphone. You can also use the knob at the right side or the left side to increase and decrease the volume accordingly, and you will be able to use your Razer Blackshark headset regardless of the model on your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Blackshark headset to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.